Right, Shelby, and we're also learning more about what the day-to-day life for Baldwin County public school students will look like. The school system announcing today that students and teachers will be required to wear masks on school grounds. The school administration reminding parents that virtual learning is another available option. Our Baldwin County reporter Hal Sherrick was at that press conference this morning. He joins me now live from the school board office in Loxley. And Hal, a lot of parents, are they choosing that virtual option?
Well, absolutely. They are, Lenise, and school officials say that they are prepared for that. So far, a little over 2,000 students have signed up for that, and the system has added more teachers and facilities to handle that need. Now, as more details came out today about the face mask requirements and what day-to-day life on campus will look like, now that need is expected to even rise further. So a letter did go out to the parents today that discuss the face mask, discuss social distancing, transportation, sanitation, cafeteria protocol, and temp checks. Superintendent Eddie Tyler says face masks must comply with uniform policy and can't have inappropriate language, signs, sayings, or political views. Students are asked to provide their own masks, but they will be provided to them if need be. Face shields will be provided for students with special medical needs. Tyler says social distancing will be near impossible in most cases to enforce, but principals have been asked to space things out as much as they can. School breakfast will be grab and go, and lunches will be served in shifts with students spreading out to designated areas. Those cafeterias will be sanitized after each shift, and bathrooms will be sanitized several times daily. Buses will be crowded as always, Tyler says, and drivers will be wearing face shields. Hand sanitizing stations will be mounted at each bus, and they'll be sprayed down with sanitizer after the morning and afternoon drops. Students' temperatures will be monitored throughout the day by new thermal cameras at entryways. School officials have been working for months on the reopening plan and say there are still many challenges ahead.
There will be violations of social distancing. There will be students who don't wear a mask. There will be buses full of students. I'm sure you'll be sent pictures, or will be sent pictures, of social distancing not taking place. I expect that. The governor's health order specifically exempts children under 6 years of age and under from the mask. And we will have students also who won't be able to wear these things properly. So there are always exceptions and exemptions, and we will deal with those as they come up.
The schools don't plan on disciplining students who don't wear face masks or don't follow the policy. However, they say they will contact those students' parents and work with them to try to come to an understanding about that. Now, the lingering question, of course, is what if there is a infection case of COVID-19 in a classroom? Right now, the plan is to clear the classroom for at least 45 minutes of students, have it disinfected, and then bring the other students back in. But as far as any kind of questions as far as that contact tracing goes or quarantining students and teachers in that event, that question won't be answered and dealt with until at least next week, Tyler says. So we'll have to wait a little longer to find that out. Reporting live in Baldwin County, Hal Sherrick, Fox 10 News.